Check out this GMC 2016 Savana cargo van. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include AM/FM stereo, power door locks, power steering, power windows, daytime running lights, traction control, rear-wheel drive, trip computer and intermittent wipers. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.